I'm going to show you how we are going to construct our origami for the hexagonal Higuan. We have this print on A3 format, thick paper, heavy paper. We need a pair of scissors, we need a paper glue, and we need a sponge. So we just cut out the uh, the model on the lines. Cut out as precise as possible along the lines. I'll be back when we have our model cut out. Name view? Yes, we're almost done. Getting the gluing plates, and then we got this. Okay, so we don't need this anymore. Now we just have to fold the hinging lines and diagonal lines as sharp as possible. So we just fold. So we got something like this. Now we're going to do the hinging lines with our exactly the vertical lines here. And we fold them in both directions. So we do them as well as like this. You can actually see they should actually be precisely on these points, and we fold them like that because they will be hinging like this in the system. So we do that on all hinging lines. I've got our system completely folded, and what we do now is actually we make it a ring, a circle, and we glue these two sides towards each other. So I'll show you. We take the glue, put a little paper glue on the system. Be careful, a little bit on your clothes. You can, with the sponge, divide the glue on the surface, and then you try to do as precise as possible, like this, and you have it in a circle. You keep it drying, let it dry for a couple of seconds or a minute. We take collal glue because that's the best glue I actually found for this kind of work. Don't take any plastic glue because or two components glue because it will damage the ink on the print. Dry, we have the basic format of our system. We put a little bit more sharpening on the hinging axis. Now we are ready to finally get the thing together. What you see here, these are the gluing surfaces. We just fold them inside, inwards, and once more. This is perhaps the most critical part. Don't damage your system. It will work, because then at a sudden you get this kind of shape. You see, it's almost done. I have to look here and put it together, and this is what we get. You see, we can now glue the system together, for which I will put some glue on these surfaces. Also take the hinging axis. There's no problem when you spoil a little bit on glue. You can also do this with your fingers, but so a little bit like that, and then we fold these plates together. You can do it much better than I show you now. Anyway, in principle, our system is ready. Yeah. So now we have completed our system. It's dry, and you will see that it's actually the hexatetrahedron. It's twisting within itself, and that's just the mathematics that we are going to sort out. This is it. This is the demonstration. Keep it on the other side. Look, like that, and this is the basis of our engine. Thank you very much for your attention, and perhaps see you later again.